Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your mobile or phone number using the Amazon app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so open up your Amazon shopping app as you normally would. Now from here, go ahead and click on where it says you, the bottom of the page here. And now we want to click onto your your account. And now from here, we've into the account settings. So we got orders and account settings. We want to click onto login and security. So go ahead and click onto login and security and then sign in. So I'm going to click on login security. Then I'm going to sign in. It will take me over to the next page. All right, now it's signed me in. Now I need to put in the two-step one-time password to sign in. So I'm going to go check my text messages, get that 6-digit code and then sign in. All right, sign in. And now from here, we've got name, email, then we've got primary mobile number. What we need to do is go ahead and click on to edit. And now this is where we can change it. So go ahead and put in your new phone number here, then click continue, and that will go ahead and save your new number to your Amazon account.